Solve for x. ln of x minus 4 plus ln of x plus 1 equals ln of 36. I know that if I had ln of this equals ln of that I could just get rid of the ln's. So I notice that these ln's are adding. When you add ln's or logs of the same base, remember ln is a log, you multiply the inside. So this becomes ln of x minus 4 times x plus 1 equals ln of 36. Now that I have ln of this equals ln of that, I can get rid of the ln's. And that leaves me with x minus 4 times x plus 1 equals 36. Now what I have to do is I have to FOIL this guy out. So x times x is x squared, x times 1 is x, negative 4 times x is negative 4x, negative 4 times 1 is minus 4. That equals 36. You guys in the middle combine to x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 36. Let's subtract 36 from both sides. That gives you 0. X squared minus 3x minus 40 equals that. Now, can this factor out? Yes. Yes, they can. Think of two numbers that add up to negative 3 and multiply out to negative 40. And you have x minus 8 times x plus 5 equals 0, giving me the answers of 8 and negative 5. Now, this is where you have to be so careful. I have to take these and plug them into the original equation. Why? Because ln of a number cannot be a 0, and I cannot take the ln of a negative either. So if I were to plug 8 in, I get 8 minus 4, which is 4. I get 8 plus 1, which is 9. 8 is good. If I plug in negative 5, however, negative 5 minus 4 is a negative number. I'm not allowed to take the ln of a negative number, which means negative 5 is not a possible option. So when you get answers with two possibilities like these, chances are one of them won't work. So x is going to equal 8 and only 8, so the answer is B.